Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, so we were doing chapter number 2, System of Real Numbers, Radicals and Exponents. This belongs to arithmetic section. Okay, so today lecture content is again exercise number 2.8. Okay, again exercise number 2.8. Right, so which question we are going to do? This question. Now what you have here, look at here. If 1 upon b is equals to 2 plus under root 3, find the values of b4 plus 1 upon b4. Find the value of b4 plus 1 upon b4. Okay, now 1 minute. I'm going to explain it with the obviously video. So please tell me, is it clear or not? Okay. Yes. Please tell me. Clear? Any problem? Any problem? Okay, now how will you start? First of all, you will write down the date here. Now, what is the date today? Today is 28/1/21. Okay, then what you will do, you will write here exercise number 2.8.
Assalamu alaikum, Miss.
Wa alaikum assalam, Abdul Rahman. How are you? Okay, now look at here. This is your question and this is an example. Okay, this is an example. Now look at here. What you have, if 1 upon b, now previously you were given the value of b, x, y, and z. If 1 upon b is equals to 2 plus under root 3, okay, 1 upon b is equals to 2 plus under root 3, find the value of, not values, value of b4 plus 1 upon b4. Now look at here. Forget about this b4. Here we have given the value of 1 upon b and the value of b is not given. Okay, a little bit twist here. Here you have 1 upon b, not 1 upon b4. Here you have the value of 1 upon b4 and the value of b is not given here. Okay, it's okay. You can find it by yourself. How? First, you will write down the heading of solution. Okay, then what you will write? You will write here we have. Okay, now what we have, just a minute, I'm going to zoom it. Okay, now what you will write, you will write we have. Now what we have basically 1 upon b, which is equals to 2 plus under root 3. Okay, this is given to you and you required b. So what you will do, again you will take the reciprocal of this b. Okay, now the reciprocal of b, here you have 1 upon b. Its reciprocal means you will shift it towards upward, so it will be b. Okay, it will be b. So you will write here b is equals to, now if you are shifting it upward, so what you will do, you will take the reciprocal of this thing. So reciprocal of this thing will be 1 upon 2 plus under root 3. Please tell me, is this step clear or not? What you have done here, you have given 1 upon b, which is equals to 2 plus under root 3, and b is not given to you. So for this, what you will do, you will take the reciprocal of this whole term. When you will take the reciprocal, so it will become b, and the reciprocal of this will become 1 upon 2 plus under root 3. Now, very clear and easy. Just a minute. Now, very clear and easy. How? Now, why it is clear and easy? Again, you will get in the denominator what? Again, you have a radical sign. So for this, what you have to do, you have to eliminate this radical sign. So what you will do for this, you will write here multiplying. Okay, multiplying and dividing by the conjugate. Now what is conjugate here? Your conjugate here is, here you have plus 3. So you will write here 2 minus under root 3 of the denominator. Okay, what you will do, you will take the conjugate. Okay, simply you will take the conjugate of the denominator. So you will copy each thing every as it is. You will write here b. Now here you have b, not 1 upon b. B is equals to this thing, 1 upon 2 plus under root 3 multiplying. So you will write here multiplying with the conjugate 2 minus under root 3, dividing with the conjugate, same conjugate, that is 2 minus under root 3. Okay, so why you are doing it, because you have to rationalize the denominator. So when you are rationalizing the denominator, you have to multiply it and divide it by the conjugate. Okay, now simply what you will do, you will multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. Simply you will write here b is equals to 2 under root 3 numerator, 2 minus under root 3 divided by, you will multiply your numerators with each other. Inside the bracket you will write your first denominator, which is 2 plus under root 3 bracket close, multiply with the second denominator, which is 2 minus under root 3 bracket close. Now as you know, we will apply the formula here. Which formula? We know the formula, a square minus b square is equals to a plus b bracket close, a minus b, means you have to multiply these two terms. So you have to decide which is term a and which is term b. So here I'm going to write the term a is basically 2. Term a is 2 and term b is minus, oh sorry, under root 3. Term b is under root 3. Now what you have to do, you have to take the square of term a and term b, while other things will remain same, means b is equals to minus under root 3 will be copied as it is. Now I'm moving on to the next page. So here I'm going to write, what, b is equals to 2 minus under root 3. Okay, this was our numerator. Now divided by, we are going to take the square of term a. Our term a is 2, so we have to take the whole square of this term. Okay, then the sign of minus, which is in formula. Then term b is under root 3 and we have to take the square of term b as well. Understand? Now as you can see here, this 2 will be cancelled with this root. Okay, now we will write here b is equals to 2 minus under root 3 divided with the square of 2, means 2 multiplied by 2 will be 4. So you will write here 4 minus, and its root will be cancelled with the square, so only thing left here is 3. So you will copy down it 3. Okay, now what you will do, you will simply subtract it. So what you have, 2 minus under root 3 divided with 4 minus 3 will be 1. So your term b is now equals to 2 minus under root 3. Clear? Term b is now equals to 2 minus under root 3. So you will make the box here. Now you have the values of both the term. B is equals to 2 minus under root 3. Okay, and 1 upon b is equals to, which is given. Okay, this thing is given to you. So 1 upon b is equals to 2 plus under root 3. Now look at here. What you have required, b4 plus 1 upon b4. Okay, for b4 plus 1 upon b4, you should know the value of b plus 1 upon b. Then you will know, we will find out the value of b square plus 1 upon b square. And when you will take the whole square of it, so you will find out the value of b4 1 upon b4. So for this, to get the value of this thing, you have to find out first b plus 1 upon b, then you will find out b square plus 1 upon b square, then you will find out b4 plus 1 upon b4. Okay, so first we are going to find out b plus 1 upon b. Is it clear? Is this thing clear to you? Please tell me. Although we have to find out b4 plus 1 upon b4, but for this, first you will find out the value of b plus 1 upon b, then b square plus 1 upon b square, and then b4 plus 1 upon b4. Understand? Now, first I'm going to find out b plus 1 upon b. Now look at here. Again, same method, same criteria, nothing change. No change here. Okay, similarly, I'm going to write here for b plus 1 upon b. Now we are going to find out b plus 1 upon b. Now how will you find out? What you will do, you will write here b plus 1 upon b is equals to, you will write down the value of b, which is this one, 2 minus 3. B is equals to, inside the bracket you will write here 2 minus under root 3, bracket close, sign of addition, and 1 upon b is equals to what? 1 upon b is equals to 2 plus under root 3. Okay, only the difference in their sign. Okay, it will be equals to 2 plus under root 3. Okay, now please tell me, is this clear? Is it clear? Now, simply what you will do, you will open the brackets here. You will write here b plus 1 upon b is equals to plus. So you will open the bracket without changing the sign, 2 minus under root 3. Then this sign of addition, then 2, then plus plus will be plus under root 3. Okay, under root minus 3 and under root plus 3 will be cancelled, and b plus 1 upon b is equals to 2 plus 2 will be what? 2 plus 2 will be 4. Okay, now the value of b plus 1 upon b is equals to 4. Now we have got the value of b plus 1 upon b, so we will make the square here. Now very simple and easy. Very simple and easy. This is equation number, this is equation number 1. Okay, now we will find out b square now. Next step is to find out b square. So we will write here for b square plus 1 upon b square. Okay, now for this, what you will do? For this, what you will do? You will write here squaring, squaring both sides in equation number 1. Okay, now what was your equation number 1? This one. Your equation number 1 was b plus 1 upon b is equals to 4. Now you will copy down your equation number 1, which is b plus 1 upon b is equals to 4, and you have to square it on both sides. So you will square it on both sides. Now what you have, b plus 1 upon b. So what you will do, simply you will what? You will apply the formula here. Now which formula you are going to apply here? A plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now here your term a is b and term b is 1 upon b. Simple. Okay, so you have to take the square of term a, which is b. So you will simply write here b square plus 2. Okay, now term a is b, bracket close. Term b is 1 upon b. Inside the bracket you will write 1 upon b, bracket close. Then sign of addition. Then you have to take the square of term b, which is 1 upon b. So you will write here 1 upon b square. Okay, then the sign of equality here. Now you have to take the square of 4. So 4 multiplied by 4 is equals to 16. Okay, so 4 multiplied by 4 will be equals to 16. Now What you will do, you will cancel this thing together. This b will be cancelled with this b. So what you will be left with, b square plus 2 plus 1 upon b square is equals to 16. Now you have to shift this 2 on this side. Okay, you have to shift this 2 on this side. So simply you will write here b square plus 1 upon b square is equals to this 16 plus 2 है, so it will be minus 2 on the right side. So your answer will be b square plus 1 upon b square is equals to 16 minus 2 will be 14. Okay, you have got the answer of b square plus 1 upon b square, which is equals to 14. Now this will become, it will become your equation number 2. Okay, now you have to take the square of this term as well. Okay, this is b square. Okay, now next heading will be, what you have to find here, here you have to find last one, which is required for b4 plus 1 upon b4. What you will do, you will write here squaring both sides in equation number 2. Okay, you have to take the square of equation number 2. Now what was your equation number 2? Your equation number 2 was b square plus 1 upon b square is equals to 14. Remember? Now you have to take the square of it. How will you take the square? You will simply make the square over all square. Okay, this one. Now here you have b square plus 1 upon b square whole square. So again you will apply the formula here. A plus b whole square is equals to a squared plus 2ab plus b square. We will apply the formula here. Now we have to decide which is term A and which is term B. Now our term A is b square. Okay, previously it was b, now it is b square. Okay, and term B is, what is term B? Term B is 1 upon b square. Okay, now we have to take the square of term A and term B, and also we have to multiply term A and B with 2. Now look at here, term A, you have to take the square of term A. Term A is b square, so we will write here b square and then its whole square according to the formula. Then the sign of addition, then we will write here 2. Then term A, inside the bracket term A is b square, so we will write here b square bracket close. Then term B is 1 upon b square, so we will write here 1 upon b square bracket close. Then sign of addition. Now b square, this is b, 1 upon b, so we will write here 1 upon b square, and we have to take the whole square of it. Okay, why you are writing Rohar Shad? Okay, miss. Now equals to, now right hand side 14 multiplied by 14. 14 ka square, how will you take it? 14 multiplied by 14. Now square of 14 will be what? 14 multiplied by 14 will be equals to 196. So you will write here the square of 14 is 196. Okay, now look at here. What you will do here? Look at this one. Here you have power to the power. So power to the power will be multiply. Simply you will write here b. 2 multiplied by 2 will be 4. Then plus. Then you will write here 2. Now this b square will be cancelled with this b square. So only 2 will be left here. Plus the square of 1 will be 1 divided by power hai. So 2 multiplied by 2 will be b. 4 is equals to 196. Okay, now again you have here 2, so you will shift it towards this side. So you will write here B4 plus 1 upon B4 is now equals to 196 minus 2. This is plus 2. It will become minus 2 on the right side. So what will be the answer? We'll write here B4 plus 1 upon B4 is now equals to 194. This is the answer. Now you have got the answer of this one. It may be due to internet problem, Roha Irshad. Okay, now this is your final answer. Now please tell me, is it clear? Is it clear? Now, how will you gonna start it? Should I repeat it? Should I repeat it? No. Some of you are saying yes, some of you are saying okay. I'm just going to show you the steps. Okay, what will be the steps? How will you start? Since you have to find out the value of b4 plus 1 upon b4. Okay, you have to find out the value of b upon b4 plus 1 upon b4, but for this 1 upon b is given to you but not b. Okay, so for this what you will do, we have 1 upon b is equals to 2 plus under root 3, and 1 upon b is given, b is not given. Okay, what we will do, we will take the reciprocal of it. Okay, by reciprocally, by taking the reciprocal, what we will do, it will become b equals to, reciprocal of this thing will become 1 upon 2 plus under root 3. Okay, now you have to rationalize the denominator, means you have to eliminate this radical sign. For this what you will do, for the rationalizing, you know what you will write, you will write multiplying and dividing by the conjugate of the denominator. No, we will use two formulas, Sania Javed. Okay, then simply you will rationalize it. Okay, you know the procedure of rationalization. Here you will use the formula of a square minus b square, and you will take the square of term a and term b. Similarly, okay, simply then you will rationalize it. Here you will write b is equals to 2 minus under root 3 term a square term b square. You will be left with 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3 will be 1, and term b is now equals to 2 minus under root 3. Okay, but you cannot directly find out here b4 plus 1 upon b4. For this, first you will find out the value of b plus 1 upon b, then b square plus 1 upon b square, and then you will find out b4 plus 1 upon b4. So for this, simply what you will do, you will add b plus 1 upon b. Value of b is 2 minus 3 that you have find here. Value of 1 upon b is given in your question, which is 2 plus under root 3. Simply you will cancel plus and minus sign, and 2 plus 2 will become 4. Now you have got the value of b plus 1 upon b. Simply what you will do, you will write here squaring both sides in equation number 1. After squaring, you will apply this formula, which is a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. You will decide which is term a and which is term b. Okay, then you will apply the formula on the left side, and right side you will simply take the square, which is 16. Okay, then in the formula you will get this 2. Okay, you will subtract it from 16, and simply you will get the value of b square plus 1 upon b square. Now this will become your equation number 2, because you required b4. Okay, so for this what you will do, you will take square of this equation number 2. Okay, now what you will write here, for b4 you will take the squaring on both sides in equation number 2. Here you have b square plus 1 upon b square whole square is equals to 14 square. Now again you will apply the formula a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now what is a and b? You have to decide term a and term b. So term a here is a is equals to b square and b is equals to 1 upon b square. Now you have to take the square of both the terms. Also you have to multiply it. Okay, b square will be cancelled. You will take the square of 14, which is 196. Okay, now you will left with what? Here you will get b4 by multiplying 2 multiplied by 2 will be 4. 2 multiplied by 2 will be 4. Now you have got b4 plus 1 upon b4. Here you have only plus 2. So simply what you will do, you will shift it towards the left side. 196 minus 2 will be 194, and you will get the value of b4 plus 1 upon b4, which is equals to 194. Clear or not? Hmm? Clear. That's good. Now let's start your work. Okay, now open the index page in arithmetic copy and write down index in arithmetic copy. Exercise number 2.8, question number 9. Exercise number 2.8, question number 9. Write it down, the index along with date. Everyone, write down the index, exercise number 2.8, question number 9. Exercise number 2.8, question number 9. Hurry up. Everyone. Just a minute. Now please tell me done. Now start your work. Exercise number 2.8, question number 9. Now start your work, everyone. And please do not go anywhere. Okay? Start your work, write down index. After writing the index, write down exercise number 2.8 on red line. Okay? And then simply copy down question number 9. Okay? Yes, question number 9 is, if x is equals to under root 5 plus 2, find the value of x4. Yes, you will copy. Yes, Ishal, very good. Under root 2. Now you will write multiplying and dividing by the conjugate of the denominator. Conjugate, what will be the conjugate? Inside the bracket, under root 5 minus 2 of the denominator. Very good. Zimel, one step is missing here. Zimel, look at here. Look at Ishal's work. Just a minute. Look at here, Zimel. You have missed this one. 1 upon x is equals to 5 plus under root 2. Just a minute, very good. Right. Very good. Ishal. Very good. Now you will apply the formula here. A square minus b square. Hmm. Very good. Very good. Now you will write 1 upon x is equals to, you will write under root 5 minus 2 divided by under root 5 whole square. Under root 5 whole square minus 2 whole square. Yes. Yes, very good. 1 upon x is equals to, now under root 5 minus 2 divided by, very good, 5 minus 4. Very good. Do it. Zimel, kindly do it. Hurry up. Hmm. Under root 5 minus 2 divided by under root 5 plus 2, 5 whole square minus 2 whole square. Yes. Square cancelled. Square cancelled. 1 upon x. Hurry up, Zimel. Do fast. Hmm. 1 upon x is equals to under root 5 minus 2 divided by 5 minus 4. Hmm. Now 1 upon x is equals to under root 5 minus 2 divided by 1. Hmm. Okay, now Ishal, your work. Very good. X plus 1 upon x. Yes. X is equals to what? X is equals to under root 5 plus 2. Hmm. Bracket close, sign of addition. Under root 5 minus 2. Bracket close. Now x plus 1 upon x is now equals to under root 5 plus 2 plus under root 5 minus 2. So x plus 1 upon x is now equals to 2 will be cancelled. Yes, plus plus 2 under root 5. It will be 2 under root 5. Coefficient will be added now. Hmm. For x square plus 1 upon x square. Time is running out. Please hurry up. Squaring both sides in equation 1. Hmm. You will write here x plus 1 upon x. Write here x plus 1 upon x whole square. Whole square. Take the whole square of it is equals to 2 under root 5. Beta, this is not the index. Ismail, Ishal, please correct it. This is not the index. Write 2 separately. Write 2 separately. Huh. Now, now apply the formula here. A plus B whole square is equals to A plus B whole square is equals to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Now write here x square. Now simply write x square plus 2 inside the bracket x, bracket close, bracket 1 upon x, bracket close, plus 1 upon x square equals to, now look at here, place the square on 2 and under root 5 separately. Now write bracket, bracket 2 whole square, then bracket 5 whole square. Now square will be cancelled with the root. Very good. This will be cancelled with this one. Now you will write x square plus 2 plus 1 upon x square is equals to square of 2 will be 4, and inside the bracket you will write 5. Very good. Hmm. Hmm. 1 upon x square is equals to 20 minus 2. Now you will complete this work. Okay. Now I'm going to end the session here because time is running out. So if you want to ask anything, any question, so you can ask right now. Okay. If you want to ask anything. Very good. Continue your work.